Your CV is the file everything else is built on, so start here. Drag in a PDF or a Word document. JobMentis parses it, stores it in your library, and sets it as your master. You can keep several versions later. For now, one is enough. Then run the audit. It takes a minute or two because it is not a spell check. It is 28 ATS rules covering the things applicant tracking systems reject quietly without telling you. You get 1 score and 6 pillars behind it. The score is the headline. The pillars are where the work actually is. Open a pillar and you see the individual checks, passed and failed, each with a reason. Not improve your formatting. The specific date format, the specific missing section, the specific thing that breaks the parse. It also detects which system the employer is likely running and adjusts. What one platform penalizes and another ignores are not the same list. Fix the failures, run it again, watch the score move. And when you are going after one specific job, the optimizer goes further and rewrites against that posting. One upload, and every other tool in JobMentis now has something real to work with.